Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is for all those designers out there looking for some amazing design resources, and that too free of cost. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Open the browser and search for shop.thecreativeherd.ca. This website provides some amazing premium assets which you can use in your projects and can elevate your designs to the next level. Click over here and change the filter to lowest price. Here, you will get all the resources which are free of cost. From unique overlays to text animations, free textures, presets and even audio presets. It has all. You just need to add it to the cart, enter the price and click on add to cart and proceed to checkout. Enter your email address and click on continue for free. You will soon get an email with the resources you need. Here, click on View Your Order and just download the files. So what are you waiting for? Stop searching for other websites and head over to Creative Herds. And for more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.